Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about how to fix FL Studio no sound, a step-by-step walkthrough. Number 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to Options, Audio Settings. Ensure that an appropriate audio driver such as FL Studio, ASIO or Direct Sound is selected. Number 2. Disable Auto Close. In the same audio settings window, ensure the auto close option is disabled. This prevents FL Studio from losing audio when not in focus. Number 3. Verify mixer routing. Open the mixer and confirm that all channels are correctly routed to the master track and that none are muted. Number 4. Inspect MIDI settings. Go to Options, MIDI settings and ensure that Enable MIDI output is checked if you are using MIDI devices. Thanks for watching.